How to clear cache on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to clear the cache in Xiaomi, what you can simply do is first of all launch the Files application on your device. And as you launch the Files application, you can tap on the hamburger icon and simply tap on the Clean option. As you tap on Clean, you can clear all the junk files over here by tapping on the option of Clean Junk Files. So when you tap on Clean, you can simply clean all and clear the cache. And as you're done with it, if you want to clear out the cache from a particular application, make a long press on the particular application and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So you can simply see the option of clear cache if you have. So tap on storage if it does not show you. Here you can see there is no cache as I've already cleared it. But generally you can simply tap on the cache and clear all the cache over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.